Cookery for Senior High School. Our topic is cocktails and relishes. Cocktails and relishes. Cocktails. Cocktail appetizers are made of seafood or fruit, usually with a tart or tangy sauce. These appetizers are always served chilled, often on a bed of crushed ice. The following are the kinds of cocktail appetizers: oyster and clams on half shell, shrimp, crab meat, lobster, fruits, firm flake white fish. The relishes. Relishes are raw or pickled vegetable cut into attractive shapes served as appetizer. There are two categories of relishes: the raw vegetables with dips and pickled items. The raw vegetables with dips. These are known as crudités. Cru in French means raw. Common bite-size cut raw vegetables served with dips are radishes, cucumbers, zucchini, carrots, cherry tomatoes, broccoli, cauliflower, red and green bell peppers, and scallions. Here are some examples of crudités. The second category of relishes is the pickled items. It includes variety of items like cucumber pickles, olives, watermelon pickles, pickled peppers, spiced beets, and other preserved fruits and vegetables. Here are some examples of pickled items. Dips, accompaniment to raw vegetables and sometimes potato chips and crackers. Any mixture of spreads can be used as dips. Proper consistency is important to any dip. It must not be so thick that it cannot be scooped up without breaking the cracker. It must be thick enough to stick to the items used as dippers. Thin or soften them by adding mayonnaise, cream, or other appropriate liquid. Sauces and salad dressings can be used as dips. This is Maylene Huliganga. Thank you for watching.